Have you ever thought about creating your own moss wall garden? It's a refreshing way to purify the air and add a touch of greenery to your space. Creating a moss wall garden is simpler than you might think. So, are you ready to learn? To start with, you'll need some essential materials. Gather up some lush, green moss, a sturdy wooden frame, a mesh to hold everything together, and a spray bottle for hydration. Once you've gathered all your materials, it's time to move on to the next step. Now begins the fun part, putting it all together. First, attach the mesh to your wooden frame. This will provide a sturdy base for your moss. Next, it's time to add the moss. Gently press it into the mesh, making sure it's secure. You can use different types of moss for a variety of textures and colors. Finally, secure everything together. This can be done by attaching a second layer of mesh over the moss. And there you have it, your very own moss wall garden is starting to take shape. A moss wall garden requires some care and attention. It's not just a set it and forget it deal. Think of it as a living art piece that needs nurturing. Spritz your moss wall with water roughly 3 times a week. It loves moisture. Concerning placement, it thrives best in indirect sunlight. Too much direct sun can cause it to dry out and fade. Remember, moss is a forest dweller. It loves shadowy nooks. With the right care, your moss wall garden will thrive and beautify your space. Now you see how simple it is to create a moss wall garden. From gathering your materials to assembling and caring for your moss wall garden, the process is straightforward and rewarding. A moss wall garden not only beautifies your space, but also purifies the air, creating a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. And the best part? You've made it yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.